हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं आपका जो अभी 4 जून को बिहार फार्मासिस्ट का एग्ज़ाम हुआ था, उसकी जो ऑफिशियल आंसर की है वो आ चुकी है। तो उसके जो क्वेश्चन है वो डिस्कस करेंगे इस वीडियो में। हम अकॉर्डिंग ही बताए जाएंगे। ठीक है, तो ये जो एग्ज़ाम है ये आपका हुआ था 4 जून 2025 को। ठीक है, 1:30 से 3:30 बजे तक ये आपका एग्ज़ाम था फार्मासिस्ट पोस्ट के लिए। से जो वैकेंसी निकली थी आपकी बिहार फार्मासिस्ट की, उसका ये क्वेश्चन पेपर रहने वाला है। तो वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। उससे पहले अगर आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर दें। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट है, व्हाट इज द की डिफरेंस इन एप्लीकेशंस बिटवीन ऑइंटमेंट एंड पेस्ट? ऑप्शंस है, पेस्ट आर अप्लाइड ओनली टू द स्किन while ointment can be applied to both skin and the mucous membrane. Option second है, ointment can be applied to the skin and paste cannot be applied. And option third है, ointment are applied only to the skin while paste can be applied to the both skin and mucous membrane. Option D है, paste can be applied to the skin and ointment cannot be applied. ऑप्शन ए इसमें बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा। Paste are applied only to the skin while ointment can be applied to the both skin and mucous membrane. Next question. What is the preferred location for an outpatient pharmacy in a hospital? Options है, near the emergency ward. Option B है, inside the inpatient ward. And option C है, on the ground floor near the hospital entrance. And option D है, on the top floor near the administrations. ऑप्शन सी इसमें बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा, ऑन द ग्राउंड फ्लोर नियर द हॉस्पिटल एंट्रेंस। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, the digestive enzyme bromelain is derived from options है, ginger, pineapple, papaya and lemon. ऑप्शन डी इसमें बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा, पाइनएप्पल। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 है, a sieve diameter of 710 micrometer corresponds to dash grade of powder. ऑप्शन है, फाइन, कोर्स, ऑप्शन सी है मॉडरेटली कोर्स एंड ऑप्शन डी है मॉडरेटली फाइन। ऑप्शन सी इसमें बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 है, व्हाट इज द यूजुअल स्पीड रेंज फॉर लेबोरेटरी सेंट्रीफ्यूज? ऑप्शन ए से बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा, 100 to 20,000 आरपीएम। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 है, व्हाट इज द प्राइमरी एडवांटेजेस ऑफ सेंट्रीफ्यूगेशंस ओवर स्पॉन्टेनियस सेडिमेंटेशन? ऑप्शन ए, it is cheaper. Option B, it uses more chemical. Option C, it speeds up the setting process. And option D, it takes months instead of minutes. ऑप्शन सी इसमें बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा, it speeds। Question number 7th, probiotic are most commonly found in which food category? Option A, fermented milk product. Option B, fried snacks. Option C, dried herbs. And option D, processed meats. ऑप्शन ए बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा, fermented milk product। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, the sterilization of catgut is done using gamma radiations from options A है cobalt 60, option B phosphorus 32, option C iodine 131 and option D cesium 137. Correct answer is option A, cobalt 60. Next question, question number 9, the purpose of conducting a personal interview during recruitment is to goes. Option A, salary acceptations, option B, writing skill only, option C, physical strength only, and option D, पर्सनालिटी, एप्टीट्यूड, मोटिवेशंस एंड कैरेक्टर। ऑप्शन डी से बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा, पर्सनालिटी, एप्टीट्यूड, मोटिवेशन, कैरेक्टर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 है, थायोसाइनेटोक्सिसिटी ड्यू टू द एक्सक्रीशन इन द किडनी इज प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय ऑप्शंस ए प्रोपेनॉल, ऑप्शन बी मिथाइल डोपा, ऑप्शन सी सोडियम नाइट्रोप्रोसाइड। ऑप्शन सी से बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा, सोडियम नाइट्रोप्रोसाइड। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, Question number 11 and during transcriptions in eukaryotes, the RNA polymerase participating in the formation of tRNA is options है, RNA polymerase third, option B है RNA polymerase first, option C RNA polymerase fourth and option D RNA polymerase second. ऑप्शन ए इसमें बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, what is formulary? Options A pricing guide for pharmaceutical company. Option B, a register for medical equipment. Option C, a book listing recommended medicine approved by use by practitioner. Option C D, A book listing only over the counter medications. ऑप्शन सी इसमें बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा. ए बुक लिस्टिंग रिकमेंडेड मेडिसिन अप्रूव्ड फॉर यूज बाय practitioner. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. Which of the following enzyme is inhibited by allyl amines? ऑप्शन ए इसमें बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा. स्क्विलेंस एपिऑक्साइड्स. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Question number 14 है. What does SIG or Cigna indicate on a prescription? Option A, the patient signature. Option B, physician license number. Option C, pharmacy direction. And option D, direction for taking the medications. Correct answer is option D, direction for taking medication. Next question. The strategy in drug pricing where a company sets relatively high price is termed as option A, demand based. Option B, economic pricing. Option C, price skimming. ऑप्शन सी इसमें बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा. प्राइस स्किमिंग. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है. Which drug among the following is a dash sulfonyl analogs of benzothiosin derivatives? Option A, hydrazoline. Option B, diazoxide. Option C, venlafaxine. Option D, minoxidil. ऑप्शन बी इसमें बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है. Question number 17. Which of the following organelle contain powerful digestive enzyme? Option A, mitochondria. Option B, lysosomes. Option C, nucleus. Option D, Golgi apparatus. Option B is correct. Next question. The protein involved in detoxification process is option A, vasopressin. Option B, glutathione. Option C, angiotensin. Option D, oxytocin. Correct answer is option B. Next question. Which of the following is a direct acting vasodilator? Option A, digoxin. Option B, minoxidil. Option C, valsartan. Option D, ramipril. Correct answer is option B. Next question. Question number 20. Which of the following is a characteristic feature of a chain pharmacy setting? Option A, greater product selection due to large facility and buying power. Option B, no buying power. Option C, only serve rural areas. And option D, limited product selection. Correct answer is option A, greater product selection due to large facilities and buying power. Next question. Question number 21. What does the Golgi apparatus help in? Option A, cell division. Option B, intracellular sorting and packaging of secretory product. And option D, C, DNA transcription. And option D, protein denaturation. Correct answer is option B, intracellular sorting and packaging of secretory product. Next question. Question number 22. Which of the following is not an evaluation test for semi-solid dosage form? Option A, penetration test. Option B, weight variation test. Option C, rate release test. Option D, consistency test. Correct answer is option B, weight variation test. Next question. The preparation that should contain cautionary label in both the inner and outer label is option A, hair shampoo. Option B, hair conditioner. Option C, hair dye. Correct answer is option C, hair dye. Next question. Alkene with more than 18 carbon atom are physically option A, semi-solid. Option B, solids. Option C, gases. And option D, liquids. Correct answer is option B, solid. Next question. Question number 25. High energy bond is represented by the dash symbol. Correct answer is option A, Zwingle symbol. Next question. How should a pharmacist ensure accuracy while dispensing a prescriptions? Option A, by using appropriate scale and measure for accurate weighing and measuring. Option B, by estimating the ingredient visually. Option C, by relying on prior experience rather than exact measurement. Option D, by delegating the task to a non-pharmacist assistant. Correct answer is option A, by using appropriate scale and measure for accurate weighing and measure. Next question. Question number 27. Boric acid is acid officially by options A. Gravimetry, option B. Colorimetry, option C. Voltammetry, option D. Titrimetry. Correct answer is option D. Next question. Question number 28. The profession of pharmacy is undergoing transitions from product oriented to end oriented concept. Options A. Industry, option B. Nursing care, option C. Patient, and option D. Physician. Correct answer is option C. Patient. Next question. Question number 29. What principle is used in a cyclone separator for particle separation? Option A. Electrostatic attraction. Option B. Filtration. Option C. Diffusion. Option D. Centrifugal force. Correct answer is option D. Centrifugal force. Next question. For opening and maintaining a retail drugstore, an application in duplicate on Form 19 of the Drug and Cosmetic Rule 1945 is required. One copy is for biological drug and other is for dash. Option A suture, option B surgical, option C non-biological, and option D medical device. Correct answer is option C non-biological. Next question. Hard gelatin capsule can encapsulated approximately about 65 mg to 1 gram of the powdered material in the standard size of number 5 to number 000. Correct answer is option A. Next question. Question number 32. What is the primary action of a amanitin in antiviral therapy? Option A. Destroy host cell membrane. Option B. Enhance immune cell replications. Option C. Increase viral absorption. And option D. Inhibit viral penetrations and uncoating. Option D is correct. Next question. It is more advisable to achieve medications adherence in clinical pharmacy through option A. Fear creations. Option B. Prescriptions. Option C. Supply of advisory label in local language. And option D. Advertisement. Correct answer is option C. Supply of advisory label in local language. Next question. Which of the following is an advantages of using a cyclone separator? Option A. High pressure drop. Option B. Noisy operation. Option C. No moving component. And option D. Emissions of effluent. Correct answer is option C. No moving components. Next question. What is the principle of centrifugations? Option A. Separation based on color difference. Option B. Separation based on molecular shape. Option C. Separation based on temperature. And option D. Separation based on density difference. Correct answer is option D. Separation based on density difference. Next question. What is the primary role of the Food and Drug Administrations? Option A. To conduct clinical trial. Option B. To regulate hospital management system. Option C. To import and export medical equipment. And option D. To ensure the safety, efficacy, and security of drug, food, and medical devices. Correct answer is option D. To ensure the safety, efficacy, and security of drug, food, and medical devices. Next question. Question number 37. The consonant sequence contained in second recognition site in the promoter regions of DNA during transcription in prokaryotes is correct answer is option D. TTGACA. Next question. Form number 21B is the license of sell, stock, or offer sale or distribute by correct answer is option A. Wholesale drugs specified in Schedule C and Schedule C1. Next question. Which type of powder release carbon dioxide when mixed with water and help mask Peter test? Options A है effervescent powder, option B bulk powder, option C medicated powder, and option D divided powder. Correct answer is option A. Next question. Which drug is derived from the opium poppy? Correct answer is option D. Morphine. Next question. Causality assessment is the method by which the extent of relationship between dash is estimated. Option A is gender and suspected reaction. Option B, drug and suspected reaction. And option C, age and suspected reaction. And option D, weight and suspected reaction. Correct answer is option B, drug and suspected reaction. Next question, which of the option A, to improve food taste. Option B, to reduce cost of agriculture production. And option C, to prevent, eliminate or reduce food safety hazard to acceptable level. And option D, to provide financial support farmer. Correct answer is option C, to prevent, eliminate or reduce food safety hazard to acceptable level. Next question. Question number 43. Which energies are generally considered during docking studies? Option A, hydrogen bonding, van der Waals and Coulombic energy. Option B, kinetic thermal and magnetic energy. Option C, van der Waals ionic and thermal energy. And option D, van der Waals electrostatic and gravitational energy. Correct answer is option A, hydrogen bonding, van der Waals and Coulombic energy. Next question. Question number 44. In the policies and procedures for ordering controlled substances, the order that should be discouraged is option A, telephone order, option B, preparation order, option C, pro re nata order, and option D, online order. Correct answer is option C, pro re nata order. Next question. Which of the following criteria is incorrect for the parental preparations? Option A, it should be free from pyrogen. Option B, it should be free of vehicles or any other additives. Option C, it should be free from microorganism. And option D, it should be free from visible particulate. Option B is correct. Next question. Question number 47. According to WHO, which of the following is not considered foreign matter in medicinal plant material? Option A, animal excreta. Option B, sand. Option C, authentic part of the medicinal plant. And option D, insects. Correct answer is option C. Next question. Question number 48. A prescription can be legal only if it is written and signed by a option A, medical practitioner, option B, nurses, option C, pharmacist, and option D, physiotherapist. Correct answer is option A. Next question. Which of the following technique is commonly used to improve the flow properties of powder? Option A, drying, option B, crystallizations, option C, granulations, and option D, filtration. Correct answer is option C, granulations. Next question. Catgut is prepared from the dash of the animal. Option A, lungs, option B, large intestine, option C, liver, and option D, small intestine. Correct answer is option D, small intestine. Next question. Select the most appropriate statement regarding the difference between ointment and paste. Options A, ointment generally contain less concentrations of solids than pastes. And option B, ointment are generally stiffer in nature than pastes. And option C, ointment are generally more viscous than paste. And option D, ointment are generally less greasy in nature than paste. Correct answer is option A. Ointment generally contain less concentrations of solid than paste. Next question. Which type of filtration involves trapping particles inside the medium even if they are smaller than the pore size? Options A, depth filtration, option B, cake filtration, option C, surface staining, and option D, depth staining. Correct answer is option A, depth filtration. Next question. What is the main advantages of computerizing hospital record keeping? Option A, reduce electricity uses. Option B, minimize staff. And option C, enhance data retrievability and reduce waiting time. Option D, increase physical storage space. Correct answer is option C. Next question. Question number 54. What are pharmaceutical aerosols? Options A, solution of drug in alcohol. Option B, cream formulations packed in tubes. Option C, suspension of fine or solid particle in a gas. And option D, solid tablet packed in blister pack. Correct answer is option C. Suspension of a fine solid or liquid particle in a gas. Next question. Question number 55. Metriosin lower blood pressure by inhibiting which enzyme? Option A. Angiotensin converting enzyme. Option B. Triacin hydrolysis. Option C. Adenylate cyclase. And option D. Monoamide oxidase. Correct answer is option B. Triacin hydroxylase. Next question. Which of the following is not commonly used as a buffer in pharmaceutical preparations? Option A. Sodium bicarbonate. Option B. Tartaric acid. And option C. Lactic acid. And option D. Sulfuric acid. Correct answer is option D. Sulfuric acid. Next question. Question number 57. Generally, polar molecules contain dipole. Option B is correct. Next question. Question number 58. What causes the differences in bulk density of light and heavy magnesium carbonate? Option A. Amount of impurities. Option B. Difference in particle size. And option C. Differences in chemical compositions. And option D. Method of packing. Correct answer is option B. Differences is particle size. Next question. What is the standard purity requirement for medicinal oxygen as per Indian Pharmacopoeia? Correct answer is option B. Next question. Which compound found in tomatoes has shown potential in reducing prostate cancer risk? Correct answer is option D. Lycopene. Next question. Question number 61. Which of the following solvent exert leveling effect on the basis in non-aqueous titration? Option nitric acid, option B perchloric acid, option C sulfonic acid, and option D acetic acid. Correct answer is option D acetic acid. Next question. Question number 62. What is the usual goal of drug metabolism in terms of solubilities? Option A. Prevent the drug from entering systemic circulation. Option B. Convert polar drug to non-polar drug. Option C. Enhance the lipid solubility of polar drug. Option D. Next question. Number 63. In non-fluctuated suspension, how do the particles behave? Option A. Aggregate into flux. Option B. Exit as separated entity. Option C. Form sticky cluster. Correct answer is option B. Next question. What causes the rise of a liquid in a capillary tubes? Options A. The difference in temperature inside and outside the tube. Option B. Adhesion between the liquid and the tube wall greater than cohesion between liquid molecules. Option B is correct. Next question. Question number 65. What is the main functions of ribosomes? Option A. Steroid synthesis. Option B. DNA replication. Option C. Protein synthesis. And option D. Energy production. Correct answer is option C. Protein synthesis. Next question. Which layer of the large intestine contain lymph nodules? Option A. Serosa. Option B. Muscular cord. And option C. Submucosa. And option D. Mucosa. Correct answer is option D. Next question. Question number 67. The regulatory authorities of Australia for regulation of goods such as medicine, medical devices, and diagnostic tests is correct answer is option B. Therapeutic Goods Administrations. Next question. What are insufflations? Option A. Powder applied using an application into body cavity. Option B. External powder applied for skin infection. And option C. Solution for injection. And option D. Oral powder taken with water. Correct answer is option A. Powder applied using an applicator into body cavities. Next question. What is the main objective of good manufacturing practice? Options A. To ensure consistency, quality, and the safety of medicinal product. And option B. Reduce the cost of production. Option C. Improve product packaging design. And option D. To increase marketing of the product. Correct answer is option A. Next question. Which of the following organ is the primary route for the excretion of the most drug? Option A liver, option B skin, option C kidney, and option D lungs. Correct answer is option C, kidney. Next question. Halogenation of alkane is an example of which type of reaction? Option A nucleophilic substitution, option B radical substitution, option C electrophilic additions, and option D elimination. Correct answer is option B radical substitutions. Next question. Question number 72. A dose-related predictable adverse drug reaction is known as option A type B, option B type D, option C type C, and option D type A. Correct answer is option D type A. Next question. Question number 73. What are independent pharmacies? Option A operated and owned by a corporation. Option B operated and owned by an individual pharmacist. And option C operated and owned by the government bodies. And option D operated and owned by a hospital. Correct answer is option B operated and owned by the individual pharmacist. Next question. The haploid number is related to option A nucleoside, option B chromosomes, option C codons, and option D nucleic acid. Correct answer is option B chromosomes. Next questions. Question number 75. What type of powder is intended for inhalations and usually treats asthma or bronchial disorder? Option A aerosol powder, option B cosmetic powder, option C dusting powder, and option D effervescent powder. Correct answer is option A aerosol powder. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन फार्मेसी व्यापार में प्रतिस्पर्धा कट थ्रोट कॉम्पिटिशन्स किसे माना जाता है? करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए अन्य फार्मासिस्ट के व्यवसाय को अनैतिक तरीके से हथियाने का प्रयास करना. The structure nearer to the point of the attachment of a limbs or origin of a body part is termed as option A ventral, proximal, dorsal, and distal. Correct answer is option B. Next question. Question number 78. What is the powder in pharmaceutical term? Correct answer is option A finely divided particulate material in a dry form. Next question. Which of the following drug is used to reverse heparin overdose? Correct answer is option D protamine sulfate. Next question. The coronal plane divided the body into option A cranial and caudal ends, option B upper and lower halves, and option C anterior posterior halves, and option D right and left halves. Correct answer is option C. Next question. In first order reaction, the rate is option A directly proportional to the concentrations of the single reactant, option B constant at all times, and option C independent of the concentrations, and option D proportional to the square of the concentrations. Correct answer is option A directly proportional to the concentration of the single reactant. Next question. Centrifugation separations components of a mixture based on. Correct answer is option A density and particle size. Next question. The dash is the concentrations of the buffer component result in dash buffer capacity. Option A increase lesser, option B decrease greater, and option C increase greater, and option D decrease and no effect on. Correct answer is option C. The increase in the concentration of the buffer component result in greater buffer capacity. Next question. Which of the following is a disadvantages of parenteral drug administrations? Option A loss of drug through digestive enzyme, option B delayed onset of action, and option C high first pass metabolism, and option D pain and risk of infection. Correct answer is option D pain and risk of infection. Next question. Which of the following is a mineral derived drug? Option A digoxin, option B morphine, option C sulfonamide, and option D silver nitrate. Correct answer is option D silver nitrate. Next question. In ABC term, the most economical item that are generally comprised of drug spent under the drug is option A class B, option B class B1, option C class A, and option D class C. Correct answer is option D class C. Next question. The decomposition of a nitrogen pentoxide is in carbon tetrachloride is an example of a dash reaction. Option A second order, option B first order, Correct answer is option B, first order. Next question. Which quality is initial for a medical representative while interacting with doctor? Options A, polite and precise convincing communications. Option B, aggressive speech. Option B, long presentations. And option D, avoiding eye contact. Correct answer is option A. Next question. Which of the following is a unit solid dosage form intended for internal uses? Option A, tooth powder. Option B, dusting powder. Option C, tablet. And option D, snuff. Correct answer is option C, tablets. Next question. Question number 90. Crema semi-solid preparation that are generally option A elixirs, option B solution, option C suspension, and option D emulsion. Correct answer is option D emulsion. Next question. What is the brand name of a drug also known as option A chemical name, option B trade name, option C generic name, and option D United States adopted name? Correct answer is option B trade name. Next question. The dental preparation that is added to identifies to a facilities the mechanical removal of the dental plaque is known as options A is correct. Abrasive. Next question. What does buffer capacity indicate? Options A, effectiveness of a buffer to a resist pH change, and option B, the strength of the acid in the buffer. Option C, the pH of the buffer solution, and option D, the solubility of a drug in the buffer. Correct answer is option A, the effectiveness of a buffer to the resist of the pH change. Next question. In the HLB system, a higher number indicate that the surfactant is. Correct answer is option C, more hydrophilic. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन रिटेल फार्मेसी की शुरुआत करने के लिए न्यूनतम कितना क्षेत्रफल वर्ग मीटर में आवश्यक है? तो ऑप्शन डी से बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा 10. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन व्हाट इज द मेन पर्पस ऑफ द फेज 1 रिएक्शन इन ड्रग मेटाबॉलिज्म? ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट टू इंट्रोड्यूस और अनमास्क पोलर ग्रुप. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन what causes polarity in a covalent bond? Correct answer is option A, differences in electronegativities. Next question. Question number 98. Which of the following is not a function of surfactant? Option A, solidifying agent, option B, emulsifying agent, option C, detergent, and option D, antifoaming agent. Correct answer is option A. Next question. What is the antidote for atropine belladonna poisoning? Correct answer is option D. Last question है what is the average daily urine output of a healthy adult? Correct answer is option D, 800 to 2000 ml. वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो लाइक शेयर एंड चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें.